There are moments in science when a single discovery does not just change our understanding, but forces us to abandon it altogether. NASA's final composite of interstellar object 3I Atlas has become one of those moments. What was supposed to be another transient visitor drifting past our sun has now revealed anomalies so profound they shatter centuries of assumptions. A comet's tail should always face away from the sun, pushed by radiation pressure. It is one of the most reliable laws in astrophysics. Yet Atlas defied this law, holding a tail toward the sun itself, as if pulled rather than repelled. At first it was thought to be an error, a calibration glitch, until repeated scans confirmed it. Stranger still, the chemical signatures expected in a comet, cyanogen, carbon, volatile gases, were missing. For days, it was like watching a bonfire without smoke. Only later did the chemicals appear, almost deliberately, as if revealing themselves step by step. Atlas's trajectory was no less disturbing. It didn't just pass through the solar system at random. It threaded between planets with precision that mocked probability. NASA's Monte Carlo simulations showed the chance of such a path occurring naturally at less than 0.005%. To imagine it is to picture throwing darts at a spinning globe and hitting 3 invisible targets across 3 continents in perfect sequence. This was not chance. It was choreography. Then came the pulse. Quantum AI, scanning through light curves and survey images, found a persistent rhythm buried in the noise. Not spin. Not resonance. Not solar interference. A steady, deliberate beat, repeating across wavelengths, a violin's tone in the roar of a storm. It persisted as Atlas brightened, dimmed, and shifted position. A pattern too precise to be dismissed as accident. Further analysis revealed physical deviations as well. The object was not moving according to gravity alone. It was nudged by something unseen, accelerating in ways outgassing could not explain. The gas came too late, in the wrong directions. And when high-resolution imaging examined its diffraction patterns, light from the core revealed symmetry not found in nature, hexagonal reflections like those of engineered metamaterials. ESA protocols for non-natural space phenomena were activated. This was no longer science alone. It was containment. Whispers emerged from scientists breaking ranks. The tail's intervals were too precise, behaving like binary code. A cryptanalyst found recursive fractals hidden in its scatter, the kind used in digital compression. Was the tail data storage? Was Atlas itself a messenger, an interstellar archive carrying information through the ages? Historians then stepped in. Ancient texts describing stars with 2 tails, blowing against the wind, began to align with the comet's form. Some claimed such objects had been seen before, every few thousand years, during moments of upheaval and collapse. Were these chance sightings, or checkpoints? Markers in a cycle far older than we are? And then came the most chilling revelation. Molecular studies of dust fragments showed amino acid sequences identical to fragments of Earth's RNA, complete with the same handedness of life here. Too precise to be coincidence. This was not random chemistry. It was a signature, a watermark linking our origins to something that visits again and again. Atlas did not just